So the Maverick been trying to figure out the sense or lack thereof in the chairman of Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission, Mr. Alexander Williams. What the devil was Mr. Williams saying to the Jamaican athletes who have issues with Jadko? Listen this.
If any athlete has a dispute, and I'm just talking to athletes there, for your own benefit, the last thing you want to do is to make it public. The last thing you want to do, whether you feel you're in the right or in the wrong, you don't go out in the public.
So Mr. Williams is saying that if in my estimation, Jadko does wrong to me, then breach procedure. The officers said them cannot find me when I am right here. If Jadko said the facts are A when the facts are B, Mr. Williams is saying I must keep that private. Don't share it on social media so that everybody can see the injustice that Jadko has done to me. Is he saying it's the worst thing I can do is to go on social media? I don't understand that reasoning, Mr. Jadko Chairman. I mean, if I am guilty of wrongdoing, it better me remain humble and shut my mouth. But if I am clearly in the right, and I can show the world that I am clearly in the right, and Jadko, like they have been in the past, are in the wrong, why we must hide that from social media and hide it from the public? No, sir. You know how many people public scrutiny and public attention save from injustice, Mr. Williams? You cannot be giving that kind of blanket advice. Not a blanket. We don't want to do a good thing, my man. It's not like a blanket, man.